Hello everybody. We are in Old Forge, upstate New York at the Old Forge camping resort. So, give you a little tour. We're at Cottage 5. It's a really nice day today. It's not humid or anything. They do have cabins. They do have tent sites and RV sites. We picked a cottage because it has facilities inside. But we're right Lakeview. We have our little single gas stove. I gas one. This thing's pretty nifty. Just fold it up, put it in the box, and it's ready to go. Our little fire site there. And here's the cottage. There's other cottages next to us. Hi. Got our little mosquito repellent there. We have another one on this side. So hopefully this porch will be mosquito free. Alright. Well, here's the inside of the cottage. Sleeps up to 6 people. Brought our little 4 Patriots 300-watt generator, just in case we're going to need it. A few things, reading material. We actually have, show them the counter spaces and stuff. Has a microwave, a freezer, and a freezer and a mini fridge, which is nice. Little stove. Plenty of cabin space here. Then right here goes into the bedroom.
Another bedroom.
Well, yeah, another bedroom. This is where we're going to sleep in the back. We got everything set up here. It's pretty nice. You got plenty of room. Back. Oh, there's a Subaru. And then you have the sink in the room. That comes in handy. And you got your cabinet. That comes in pretty handy. And then the bathroom. So it's a little small, but it's perfect for us. The shower, it's got plenty of headroom there. Not bad at all. So it runs about $150 a night. So we're staying here for 2 nights. And so far so good. We like it a lot. And that is it. So we will maybe film our little excursions, but on the lake they do have paddle boats, $15 an hour, all kinds of different things to do here. But we're gonna have a great time. The weekend's gonna be nice. It's gonna be like 75 degrees.
Gonna go hiking
And do some hiking. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.